What was the cold fusion controversy? Scientific hoaxes explained. Imagine discovering a way to produce endless clean energy without huge machines or dangerous fuels. That's what cold fusion promised, but the story took a strange turn. It all started in 1989 when two chemists, Stanley Pons and Martin Fleischmann, claimed they had achieved nuclear fusion at room temperature. They used a simple experiment with heavy water, which is water containing deuterium, and a palladium electrode. They said they saw excess heat that couldn't be explained by normal chemical reactions, and they believed nuclear fusion was happening at low temperatures. The news spread fast, sparking excitement because, if true, cold fusion could have changed how we power the world. It sounded like a miracle, cheap, abundant, and safe energy. But as other scientists tried to repeat the experiment, many failed to get the same results. Replication is a key part of science, and when results can't be duplicated, doubts grow. Some researchers suggested the original experiment might have had measurement errors or contamination. Others accused Pons and Fleischmann of poor controls or even data manipulation. Legal threats and accusations of scientific misconduct added fuel to the fire. Some critics claim the results were fabricated or exaggerated. Over time, independent reviews and repeated attempts to verify the claims showed no convincing evidence that cold fusion was real. The scientific community largely dismissed the idea, labeling it a scientific hoax or pseudoscience. Despite the rejection, a small group of researchers kept exploring related ideas under different names like low-energy nuclear reactions, but mainstream science stayed skeptical. This controversy is a perfect example of how extraordinary claims need extraordinary proof. It also shows how human error, hype, and the desire for fame can cloud scientific judgment. The initial experiments involved strange setups and results that defied what we knew about physics. When the evidence was questioned, the story unraveled, turning cold fusion into a bizarre chapter of scientific history. Today, cold fusion remains a cautionary tale about the importance of rigorous testing and honest reporting in science. While cold fusion, as originally claimed, has not panned out, it sparked curiosity about unconventional nuclear effects and electrochemical phenomena. Some modern research looks into related effects, not for free energy, but for new materials or superconductors that work at room temperature. So, even though the dream of limitless energy from cold fusion is dead, the strange experiments and odd results it inspired continue to intrigue a small circle of scientists. It's a story of hope, human error, and the wild side of experimental science.